Welcome to RPF. In this video, I will show you how we can use JSON packages with Automation Anywhere or within Automation Anywhere. For doing that, I'm going to create one task bot and provide the name as JSON package. Once you are done, hit on create and this will start creating a task bot for you. Now here you can just drag and drop start sessions, end sessions, and we have two more activities, get node placed and get node value. To just give you one example here, I have already added few of the lines related to JSON. Here I will straight away add text which should have the proper parentheses within a JSON file. So take an example of it. If you wanted to execute any JSON code within Automation Anywhere, these are the process. By following that, you can do it. To show more clear idea about it, how we can use it, which all data we can perform, here I just drag and drop get node value and get node list. At any point of time, if you want to play around it with the JSON file, this examples will be helpful for you. To have the node key or path, I've just created one variable and post that will again call some other value. So here I'm just adding model as a second variables. So JSON node key or path is model and exactly same variable will create it for storing those values. Now all those informations I wanted to print on the message box. Here, once the messages is ready, I wanted to show the brand name and here we'll call the same variable that is brand. Here I wanted to add loop in process till the time this value will be not finished. This should iterate completely. Here I wanted to build the list item and this list item should be assigned and that should be populated on my message box. So here I'll select list item until and unless this value will be not finished, this will continue to execute it. My message should be model list item. So let me summarize or give you an example of it where we can use it, this complete automations. Let's consider we are working on any projects and we want to call out some of the values within the JSON which is present in that project. In that scenario, you can use this example or use this complete step for automating your processes or to displaying the processes. Here, I'm just bifurcating each of the value and to show on the message box. You can also use Excel or any file where we can store all those elements or attributes of JSON. Here you can see brand name is showing Apple. Once I will click close, it will again show me a model name. Unless until all those values will be not fixed or not completed, we will continue to get all those model names. And once all the model names are done, our process will be closed or automations will be closed. So this is how we can call or execute JSON code or JSON file within Automation Anywhere. That's all from this. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. Thank you for watching.